Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to give you an assignment which is based on using while loop in Java. So let's get started. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program by using this while loop to find the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. That result you have to print in the output. Okay. So that's what is assignment, guys. You can now pause this. Okay. You can now pause this video and solve this Java program by yourself. Okay. Try to solve this by yourself, by your own thinking and all with the help of the while loop. Try to find the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10 and print as an output of this program by yourself. Hoping that you pass the video and has solved this Java program. Now you can resume this video to find the solution. Okay, I'm going to give you the solution and see whether whatever the Java program you have written is matching with mine or not. Okay, but let me give you the solution. For that, I'll go to this Eclipse IDE. Inside this main method, I'm going to write the Java program with the help of the while loop. I'm going to calculate the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10 now. So for that, I'll say int I is equal to 1. Okay, and int sum is equal to 0. Two items. Int I is equal to 1, int sum is equal to 0. Now, while circular brackets, starting of the while loop, ending of the while loop, this is the while body. Now, I is less than or equal to 10. I need to iterate this while loop how many times? 10 times from 1 to 10. Every time I go inside this while loop, what I want to do? I want to calculate the sum. So, I'll say sum plus is equal to I. Okay, the full form of this sum plus is equal to I is sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay, initial sum is 0. The value of I is 1. So sum will become 1 by the end of the first iteration of the while loop. In the second iteration, sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum is already 1. 1 plus next iteration I is 2. 1 plus 2. Sum will become 3. At the end of the second iteration, sum will become 3. Like that, in the next iteration, it will become, 3 plus 3, that is 6. In the next iteration, it will become 6 plus 4, 10, and so on. Okay, it need to calculate the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10. So this is what is happening, and every iteration I need to increment the value of I by 1, I plus plus I'll say. Okay, now after the end of the while loop, I'll print out the sum, system.out.println sum. So this statement is going to print the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so let me run this Java program and see what is output we are getting. 55. Okay, which is correct. Sum of numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. Okay, so this is a Java program that we need to write with the help of the while loop for calculating the sum of the numbers starting from 1 to 10. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.